What's up, YouTube? It's me, PJ. We're out here just fishing at the creek. I'll turn the camera. The thing of beauty, I'm with my boy Dan at D-Hawks Bass Hole on Instagram. So we're just gonna jump right into it, you know. We caught some sunnies already. Daniel fell in. It's an adventure and we're here for the fun, you know. Let's go. All right, I'm about to strap y'all up with the little phone strap and we're gonna get in this water. Let's do it. All right, everybody. Our 10-day journey to the spot. Oh, y'all can't see for shit. Can y'all see now?
I'm trying to keep my shorts dry.
That's perfect right there. All right, Dan's trying to keep his shorts dry. You can see his brown ass. He shit himself actually earlier. He has stopped. He's intrigued by something. A little minnow. Dan found a little minnow. We're fishing here. Oh, got a nibber. Oh, fish all. Snagged. Snagged. Never had one. I've caught a fish here. I've caught a 13-pound trout one time here. With my eyes closed. Yeah, while naked. We do be out here looking for smallies though. My bait of choice for the day. Ow, it's stuck in my finger. Nice little trout magnet. He's going with a what? Popper. Yeah, I've caught about like 6 sunnies maybe. He's caught jack shit. I'm obviously the better fisherman here. It's this tray. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know where I am and you see this tree, let me tell you, oh, I'm stuck. Am I? No. Let me tell you, it's hit or miss. I usually catch a ton of rock bass. So we're gonna find out today here if there's any bass under this tree. No fish on the first cast, but that doesn't mean you give up. That just means you get super discouraged really quickly. It's a beautiful view, don't you agree? I really do agree. I would agree with myself. Ooh, nibble. Oh, fish on. A small mouth. Let's go. Look at that, everybody. Look at that. Wow. There's small ones, there's big ones, and I just so happened to get the smallest frickin' fish in this creek. Here he is. Ta-da. Wow, look at that. See a little man? He's right in front of me. There he goes. There's a rock right in the middle. Oh, fish. Smallmouth. Smallie. Let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, can you all see that? Fish number 2. Letting him go. Once again. Another fish. Back to back. Yes, do it. Ladies and gents, let's go, Sonny. Let's watch him swim away. See a little man. Let's go, baby. Can we get threesome? Back to back to back? Can we? Oh, back to back to back. Let's go. It's going crazy. Look at that. A beautiful little sunfish. All right, let's let him go here. See a little man. Under this bridge, guys. Just under a bridge. There's a waterfall golf course up there. Just vibing, you know. Foursome! Oh my God! Another sunfish. All right, well, He's a little bit bigger. He's got a cut on him. Oh, he's got a bunch of stuff on him. I don't want to touch him. All right, well, this is a struggle. Don't move. I'm only helping you at this point. There you go. Look at him. Beautiful fish. Small, yet beautiful. Ooh, Dan, a nice smallie. Oh no, it's a largie. Biggest bass of the day, ladies and gents. I know it's small, but that's okay. Look at that. Wow, out of nowhere. Look at him. Wow, thing of beauty, really. Here we go. Let him go here. There he goes. Huzzah! It's so deep right here. Smallie. Big ass bluegill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Holy crap. Holy crap, people. Look at this. Ow. Look how big that thing is. Yeah, dude. This is a monster bluegill. If it would focus. I'm gonna put my rod in the water, screw it. I can't take it. Look how monster this fish is. Look how big it is. Wow. Bigger sunfish?
No, not bigger. Bigger.
Dude, that thing is ginormous. Oh, there he goes. You got him. He's on. He's on. Got him. Let's go. First fish of the day. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go, Dan. Let's go, Dan. Let's go, Dan. Send it for the camera. Show it to the camera. Let's go, baby. Dan's on the board.
On the board with the bluegill.
There's a big rock right here, too.
Big bluegill.
Big bluegill?
Is this going on YouTube?
YouTube for the boys?
Then I guess I don't need to take a picture.
Nope. Good bass. On Dan. On Dan. We're getting over. I don't know what's going on, but he caught it.
I'm trying to get more light.
He caught it on the Ned rig. That's a good fish, Dan. Oh.
It's a decent size fish. He's gonna cut my line with his damn fins. I thought he had it, but I couldn't tell.
It's a good hook set right there.
It's a decent size.
There you go. Good work.
Fishing. Oh, he's beat up.
Oh, yeah, he is. Here, let's get the release.
He's not spawning. We'll try and get a good old release on this guy.
Go.
That was a good one.
Let's go, good boy.
Say nice bass.
It's nice for this
Do
creek.
you want me to tie you on a net rig?
Yes. Well, oh, you're not going anywhere, buddy. I'm getting a nice shot.
I'm getting a nice shot at you.
Look at that.
I'll just give you the pieces. Let's go up on this
Thing of
bank so
beauty.
it's easier to retie.
Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful spotted bass.
You knew the net